Traders were updating the $136 put options that we had just given out on Nvidia. Here's the following. Once again, traders, that $136 put options that was bought at we can tell you the entry. It was right around $3.50. They hit a high at 9.45 on the 136 put options in the leader Nvidia stock. Let's take a look at time of entry. We can see the daily high reversal right there when we issued it. That was 136. 136 puts were bought. We dropped. We pulled back. Yes, we did. We pulled back to a low of 127. Do the math. 127, that's a 6-point downside move. That means, my friends, let us guide you right now in the 136 put options. That's exactly what we did with Nvidia. The evidence, the proof, everything to propel your trading. It's all right here on the daily chart. Look, we don't have no real big support. We do down here at that 50-day. I can just tell you 112. 112 at that 50-day. Right now, we're sitting on the 10-day. We're sitting on the 20-day. A break below support sends us lower. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Once again, free stock play at its best and its finest.